Hi my friends, today we model this part, very interesting, and it has a void internal volume. Dimensions are here and the name is triangular soul. We start by creating this revolving volume with dimensions 260, 16, 60, diameter of 50. This is not mentioned radius, but here is radius 200 with the center on the generator G. This is the generator G. In other words, if you prolong this line, you meet in the center this vertical. Let's do this. New standard millimeters IPT, the plane XY. We draw a vertical line of 60. I move this dimension and I apply center line here. Then I draw a horizontal of 50 divided by 2. Then, keeping pressed this end point, I go down, my friends, down. This means that there is a perpendicular segment here, arc, not segment. Then I keep pressed again the left button and I go somewhere here, down and back to the center point. Everything is okay. You see, perpendicular of the arc, tangent between the two arcs, and I can apply tangent, not tangent, vertical between this arc and this generator. The diameter is 260. And the radius here is 200. I don't apply this point on this vertical because I place here a tangency. The other dimension is 16. Fully constrained sketch. Finish. Revolve. And we have the first volume. Now I want to cut a third part of this by using dimensions 120, 12 degrees, radius 80 and radius 118. I select this face for a new plane with X to the right and I draw some lines. This is one line. I keep press the left button and I go somewhere here. Then a tangent. I also draw a line from this end, keeping pressed the left button, my friends, and going right here outside. Why? Because I project this circle and I apply tangent to this too. I also place the end point on the circle, and on the same vertical this point with this center point. We have some dimensions now to place. I project the axis Z axis. I make it construction together with the internal circle, and I apply an angle of 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2. This is radius 80, and now I draw a line from here to the circle, but the angle not 24.52 as you can see, tab, but 30. I use this line to place the point, the center of this radius, on the line, and I also use it to mirror this arc. Mirror this arc about this axis. Apply. I trim this. Oh, this is not on the line because this is not symmetrical with the other one. I make symmetrical this line with this line about this axis, and now I'm sure that they are tangent to apply trim. You see, one dimension needed. What is missing here? Now you see this point is placed at a radius of 118. I place this dimension 118, and we have a fully constrained sketch. Yes, let me move some dimensions to have a better view, and this is construction as well. Finish sketch, extrude this area with cut all the way. We have a cut here, very good. We apply circular pattern of this last feature about the axis Y, 3 not 6, to apply the other two cuts. Now you see in the drawing that there is a void volume inside. With the thickness of 2, we apply shell in this very moment. Shell, not 1 but 2 millimeters, and we eliminate this face. Okay, now we have a shell, only a shell. Then we turn this to select a face. I create a circle with this center and equal the radius equal to this. Finish sketch, extrude. We extrude the circle to this face. Not cut, but adding. Okay. You see here that undimensioned fillets are radius 4. I apply fillet of 4 to these two edges. Okay. Next we have to apply this counterbore with dimensions 17 on 8.5 and 6. The axis is this one. We start with this axis. You see here the axis. We need this. Then we use a plane, this plane, for a new sketch. F7, we project that axis in the new sketch and we draw lines. Start from here up to the left, down and back to this. I make not visible the axis and I make this as a center line, the projection of the axis. Also this must be center line. Dimensions 17 8.5 6 is this, and I want to be sure that let me place a point here. I want to be sure that this is outside the party, no matter if you modify this. So take a look. I place this dimension taking from here. Okay, I'm sure that this line is outside the face because 6 is enough outside. Finish sketch, revolve, select axis. Now there are two axes. I have to select one of them, no problem. Both are the same. Cut. Okay. Now you see we have some features here to be placed on the other two arms. To do this, we use circular pattern. We select the revolution, the last feature, the fillet, this fillet, the extrusion. You know what is the extrusion, but not the shell. About what axis? About the Y axis, yes? How many? Only 3, not 6. Okay, now you see that they are in position. I select this face to have a new sketch and I apply extrude of this face to this face. Yes, not cut but join. Okay, now we made this internal volume in the center here. There is a hole of 24. Let's place that hole. Hole, face, center, 24 is already placed. OK. Now I apply the other fillets. You see here is that radius 4 general dimension mentioned here, radius 4. Good. I select this and I apply 4 millimeters. All faces are with radius 4, all edges, and I can say this is finished, my friends. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update. I copy this, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is with a very small difference. The sixth rank is not identical. Be sure I keep the last value because this is what we did here. We made this part, which is similar with the other outside of the sixth rank of precision. Oh, that rank of precision is due to this radius 1, my friends. The part, the model, has a fillet here all around. Be sure that this is the problem. You can see what I do. Control Z, and now we have the previous value, and I go to the part, I select an edge, and I apply radius 1. OK. Now let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, double click. The new value is this one. Now it is better. The second decimal is different. There is also a possible error of Inventor, my friends. Why? Because when we select a part and we apply properties, physical, we see here a text. Error 0.88%. Yes? Not always we find precise value. Good. Now I apply the material, which is ABS plastic. We apply the aspect. It is smooth orange, smooth light orange, you see, and also eliminating edges. now we have this part, and we can compare with the other one, but applying F6. You see, only the light. The light is here, default light. Now you don't see any difference. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.